but it cracked. You can see it cracked right there. Very cool. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I fixed the wagon sump. So I just came from the archive and I hit a dip in the road. I didn't think much of it, I was like meh. And then when I went outside because I had to move the car, I saw a massive puddle of oil. And then I went to go check and see what happened in the road. I'll post a picture here now. It doesn't look that bad, but immediately when I hit it, there was oil that came out. So I've already practically puttied the sump before. I think I'm just going to replace it now. So as you can see, my weld over there, my practically putty, but it cracked. You can see it cracked right there, and it's cracked in there, so we can't even patch it. It needs to be replaced. I smashed that thing so hard. Okay, sump is out. It looks okay. Not that I know what I'm looking at. I really need to sort out this steel mass flywheel, but this is sump that came out. A couple of loose bolts. So this is my handiwork before. That held up fine. I might even do it again just as a preventative, but as you can see there, I sort of just ate through that section. Looks like it was just leaking there as well. So not much of a update after the sump was changed. Like, I think my hands are just oily and I just wanted to get done. So swapped over the sump, got a sump from Goldwagen, a WAG, and the quality is decent. Hopefully it lasts a while. 7 years will be great, but yeah, I'm glad that's done. The car was leaking, dripping, quite annoying. But yeah, all good, sorted. I'm on my way to Killarney now. It's a Forwards and Friends event. I'm going to pop in and check the vibe. I haven't been to circuit racing in a long time, so I enjoy it. I used to actually be a photographer for Sports and GT. I did that for like 2-3 years. That was interesting. But yeah, let's go see what's up over there. So I'm a WPMC member now. I had my first page of my book pulled out. I still find it insane that in 2023 they still have a book and pages get pulled out of the book. Okay, let me find some parking. I came here, I'm gonna watch White Knuckle Adventures race. Well, it's actually quite packed for this event. So 400 friends is apparently a big one. Haven't seen one of these in a while. So those are the guys I came to see. I think Brent's a Class B car. Let me see. There you go. Man, it's like at the back of the pack, but at least he's there. Class C. I'd love to do circuit, but it's because it's a contact sport, it gets quite expensive. This Alpha looks, oh man, I love these. Very cool. The tarmacs on the Scooby. Looks cool. to the Class A cars, gap the Class B cars quite a bit. Look how close they are behind me. Class A cars sound great. In the left lane of Class A. You go, boy. Oh, look at that move. He just sits on the limiter. It's getting gapped. Holds a position. Look how close these guys are, man. flag. Let's see what other Fords are out here. What? An RS model. I have no clue what this is and what engine mods the RS3000 got. Very cool. I always hated these steering wheels. They always just like, they look horrible. Like, so basic. Oh, this is Zaki's E90. This Escort, I think it's currently for sale. It's got a turbocharged EGI in it. Fakes did the fabrication on it not too long ago. But very cool car. Should be rapid. Let's see. Goodness.
So, yeah, feel that. First, second, third.
But I just.
You see how short it is?
Yeah, that's crap.
It's not nice, eh?
No, that's not fun at all. Yeah, you have
It's
to
not
like.
nice, eh?
No. The Fords are out. Oh, that sounds amazing. So Ben said he's struggling with his gears, and I felt it now. It is horrible. I do not miss the 020 at all. Didn't feel as bad as this though. It feels really bad. But yeah, this is his new look. And these wheels were fresh. Nice Mark II Jetta. So Brent is saying a Mark II is nice for Class B. I think it would be fitting to have a Mark II and race. So this is what the Mark II looks like on the inside. It's got an OMP in it. Shows it's got like no mileage on it. 16 valve wheel. Nice gear knob. Looks cool. Is that a crackless dash? That is a crackless dash in a race car. More Mark II action. checking engine flicks. So I just want to show you guys the battery on this thing. That is tiny. It's a small lithium ion battery. That's the catch can. Nice 3-liter catch can. What else can I show you? Not much. So I'm thinking about lightening up the Mark II, but I want to keep it street legal. So I'll probably end up doing tiny battery like that. Strip out the radio, speakers. Just maybe do the seats. So for robots we need to keep all the seats in it, so I'll probably do Kirky style. Both front seats, and then maybe try and lighten the rear. But not go too wild. I need to start making the car a little bit lighter. Some Mark IV Jetta in the back here. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Something a little different to what you're used to seeing on the channel, but it was good. My timing was great. I got there for that one race, saw Brent do his thing, saw him get gapped, and then there was one more race after that was done. So yeah, worked out quite nicely. That battery situation, that thing is super light. Like, I didn't feel it, but I definitely need to do that because I've got like a diesel battery in the Mark II. For what reason, I don't know. But anyway, speaking about the Mark II, good updates coming soon. I am doing head studs, drive-by-wire, proper pump, and ethanol tune, and some odds and ends, clutch switch, those sorts of things. I'm super excited. The car hasn't been tuned in so long, so I'm hoping to gain a little bit more on pump and then get to see what the car does on full S. I'd ideally like to run the car at 2 bar, currently at 1.5-ish, just under 1.6 bar. So push it up to 2 bar, it should make good power, and then I'll just see how much it'll take at Killarney, because at the moment I can feel it starting to slip in third as it comes into boost. So I'll turn it up a little bit more and ideally not get it spinning, and then give it all the beans in fourth, and that should be good. But yeah, I'm excited. I've been waiting for this booking for over 2 months now. So yeah, it's gonna be good. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.